Hello everyone, let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Sirfikera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the new chapter today, that is chapter number 19, Ministry of Defence. Read about the ministers and departments of Indian government. Let's begin with the reading portion. The ministries or the departments of the government are created by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister under the allocation of the Business Rule 1961. Then the Government of India executes its work through a number of government ministries or departments of the state. The ministry is composed of employed officials or a civil servants, you can also say, and it is politically accountable through a minister. Most major ministries are headed by the cabinet minister who sits in the Union Council of the Ministers. Next paragraph. Some ministries, they have subdivisions which are called as the departments. For example, the Ministry of Defence has two departments, that is the Department of the Telecommunications and the Department of Posts. There are approximately 53 union government ministries which is headed by its ministers. Some of the ministries that are defunctioned because of the merger with the other ministry, that means two ministries have joined together, one is merged with the other, and or due to the division of new ministries, or what has happened is new ministries have been divided into various parts. Let's move on to the next paragraph. Then here they have given us some of the ministries and its establishment and the current headed ministries also present here. The first they have told us about the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, which was, the ministry was founded in the year 1947 and the current minister is Narendra Singh Tomar for the year 2023. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, it was organized in 5th June 1991, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Ministry of Coal, the date has not been mentioned here, we have Prahlad Joshi. Then next is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It was organized on the year 15 August 1947 by the Piyush Goyal is the current minister. Then next we have Ministry of Communications. It was another 19 July 2016 organized, and Ashwini Vaishnav. Then Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Again the date has not been mentioned over here, but let's see who is the current minister, that is, it is Nirmala Sitharaman. Then next we have the Ministry of Defence, and again it was organized in the year 15th August 1947 and Mr. Rajnath Singh is the current minister. Then we have the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It was organized in the year 2006 and the current minister is Karan Rijiju. Next we have Ministry of Electronics and Information. Again no year has been mentioned over here. Similarly, no minister has also been mentioned over here. We have Ministry of Technology, 19 July 2016, Ashwini Vaishnav again here. Then Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, 1985 it was organized, and Bhupendra Yadav is responsible or the current minister of the following. Then next we have the Ministry of External Affairs. 2nd September 1946 it was formed, and we have Subramanyam Jaishankar as the current minister. We have Ministry of Finance. Again 29 October 1946 it was formed, and Nirmala Sitharaman is the current minister for the same. Ministry of Food Processing Industries, that was organized in the year 1988, and we have Pashupati Kumar Paras as the new minister, the current minister of this. Then Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It was organized in the year 15th August 1947 and the current minister is Mukesh L. Mandavia. Then next we have the Ministry of Home Affairs, and this was again formed on 15th August 1947. The current minister is Amit Shah. And let's talk about the last, that is the Ministry of Education. It was again organized on 15th August 1947 and Dharmendra Pradhan is the current minister for the same. Now let's have the your answer please for you children. The your answer please is, who is the current defense minister of our country and how many departments does the Ministry of Defense have? Look out for the answers and write the answers here below. Then we have the quick fact. The quick fact says that on 15th August 1947, the number of ministries at the center was 18. So in all, in the year 1947 on 15th August, we had 18 ministries. Let's now move on to the next page. Then on the next page, they have given another question which says that complete the table with the equivalent ranks of the Indian Air Force and the Navy. The first table is done for you. You may take the help of the help desk. This is the Indian Army. We have the Indian Air Force here and we have the Indian Air Navy. Okay, so let's begin with it. Let's do the exercise now. Let's begin with the first one. We have Field Marshal in Indian Army. Then at the same rank we have Marshal of Air Force in Indian Force and Admiral of the Fleet in the Navy. Then on the second rank we have General. Here we have Air Chief Marshal and in the Navy we have an Admiral. Then third we have the Lieutenant General and it becomes in the Air Force as the Air Marshal and Vice Admiral. Then next is Major General, Air Vice Marshal, Rear Admiral, Brigadier, Air Commodore, Commodore. Next is the Colonel, Group Captain and the Captain. At the 7th rank we have the Lieutenant Colonel, Wing Commander and the Commander. Then we have at the 8th Major. Then we have Squadron Leader or the Lieutenant Commander. Next we have the Captain, which is in the Air Force known as the Flight Lieutenant, and whereas in the Air Navy we call him as the Lieutenant. Then next we have the Lieutenant in the Indian Army. In the Air Force we have the Flying Officer and the last here is known as the Sub-Lieutenant. So this is all with the blanks. We have filled them all. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.